So here's the Ranger X3 from Backfire. Got her in turbo mode. Turb skis. As you can see, this parking lot has a horrible texture, so it's covered in puddles. And I'm gonna show you how hardcore I can ride this thing in these puddles, and it's fine. Never had an issue. Over 50 miles easy in this kind of weather. Even handles really good at high speed in the wet. I mean, everyone's like, hey, don't ride it in the rain, you'll die. I'm like, riding in the rain, not dead yet. But if you wipe this girl down with some sort of, water stuff, I do silicone lubricant spray after every wet ride, and this girl is just taking any huge signs of, I'm gonna die. No issues, no glitches, not one, not even one. Owned her for a while now. We've probably got over 200 miles on this board, and she's done half of it or so easy in weather this wet, at least this wet. So I don't know, man. When they say IP55, I think I trust them, because this board can really handle the wet, especially if you take care of her afterwards. So I set mine standing up. All that water can just drip down. I put the charging port up high, and I stand it up. But before I even do that, I will wipe it down real hard, get all that excess water and dirt off, and then spray it down with the lithium-based silicone spray. And then boom, you're good. You've got ingress of silicone and stuff instead of water. You do that before and after each wet ride, and you're pretty good. This is a gravel road, super wet. The board's going to be absolutely filthy when you're done. But I got home without any walking. Woo. And right before we get to my house, there's one more puddle. Carved and wet. And of course you always want to pour off that deck. So I mean, yeah, there's maintenance involved, but you can ride it wet. You just got to give her some love afterwards.